4 side hustles to make money online with ChatGPT. In today's video, we're going to be looking at ChatGPT and 4 different side hustles that you can start for free working from home. Now, when we say earning money, we are talking maybe $700, $800, even $900 per day is possible with these 4 side hustles. You're going to need 0 skills to actually start these side hustles, as ChatGPT is going to do everything for you. So you can then just sit back and make tons of money just working from home using ChatGPT. Now, everybody's talking about ChatGPT and AI tools at the moment. So we're going to walk you through 4 different side hustles now that you are easily able to do and make some extra side income. And you're going to need 0 skills to actually start these businesses. Well, the first one we're going to be talking about online shops such as Amazon, could be Shopify, or even someone's own website. Now, all of these people who are selling online have obviously got to produce product descriptions for their actual products. As you can see here, we've just come on to sort of the air purifying section here. And as you can see, there are some really good products here and quite high cost. So if these have actually had over nearly 1,000 actual reviews and they're charging £500 per item, as you can see, they're going to be making and turning over thousands of pounds each month. So they are going to want this to be a really top-notch actual description so they can get their product up to the top of Amazon so they can sell more of their product. So how you can do this is you can come across and you can use ChatGPT to create a description for this product. And if you don't know how to obviously get the ChatGPT and you're very new to this, come to the openai.com, come to product and then click on ChatGPT. You can just open it straight up and you're good to go. So we're going to choose this product here, and this is an Amazon Air 4-in-1 air purifier. And we go across to the ChatGPT and just add in, so we put in there, please create a 200-word description for an amazing Air 4-in-1 air purifier. Add in as many searchable keywords as possible. So that's quite an important thing because you want it to be able to be found when people are searching on Amazon. And then just click the arrow here and ChatGPT should actually turn around and start doing its work just as it's doing here. And there we go. There is our amazing, in just a few seconds, we've got a great description now that we can actually put into our Amazon product. Now we wanted some really good keywords as well, and it's got here incorporating air purification, ionization, humidification and aroma diffusion capabilities. Wow, it's really going into a great deal of detail in this description. We can give this to our customer and they can add it to their product description. And these people are going to pay good money for this. Let's just go over to a site called Fiverr and just show you exactly what I mean. Come onto Fiverr and actually put into the results, write Amazon product descriptions. As you can see here, there are many people that are listing this as a gig that they are actually doing for people. And although some of them obviously have got loads and loads of different star ratings as well, this lady, 707. Now, she's charging from £85. So that would be around about $100. So if she's actually done 700, that's over $70,000 she has earned actually doing this particular gig. Amazon product listings are something that people are always going to want to have. Okay, so the second side hustle we're going to talk about today is creating your own blog. Again, most of the work can be done via ChatGPT. Now, this is a blog that I started recently. All of the blog posts are being created exactly using ChatGPT, which is exactly how I'm going to actually show you how to do it right here. And I'm using just a WordPress website, of which is very simple, very easy to do. And as you can see, we've got some great content here with all the headings and everything all laid out. It really is that simple. Okay, so I've written here, please create me a 2,500 word article on how to make money on Pinterest with affiliate links, including as many searchable keywords as possible. And then all we do is click on the return button ChatGPT will start creating your article. And as it says, it's actually putting it under different headings, that sort of thing as well. And it's telling you approximately how many words are in each section. So you know exactly how many words you've got. And this is taking just a few seconds. Okay, and it's done. It's done the article for me. And how long has that taken? It's probably taken about 15 to 20 seconds to actually do a 2,500 word essay. Now, what we do need to do though is we need to now sort of go through it and actually make it our own. Okay, we can add some images, we can just change some of the words slightly. What you want to do first is go over to a site such as editpad.org, where you can actually put this in here and then you can check for plagiarism. What we don't want to be doing is putting articles now on our website if it's just a copy of something that is already out there on the internet, because you can get done for plagiarism. Now we don't want that. Just copy this, add it in. It's doing a quick check on some of it, and it says it's 100% unique. So that is totally unique, and we can actually make. And if we've got any issues here, we can then just click on the make unique button here to change anything we need to say. And then all we need to do is create a new blog post and copy it in. We can add in images, we could add videos, any sort of thing like that. And you've then got your unique bit of content, which is searchable on the internet. I could actually use affiliate links within the article as well. So at the bottom, I could link to a course on Pinterest or a course on affiliate marketing. And then when someone clicks on that, then you can start making the money. Also, if you actually start making if you also start getting a lot of visitors to your website, which you will do in time, then you can obviously put ads on the website as well. And you can get paid just for people visiting and the ads showing on your website. So again, there are a couple of different ways easily that you can monetize blogs. You can also, of course, you can sell your own products and services as well. So if it was a different niche, in your own niche, and you wanted your own products to sell, you could do this, and you could run this across any niche you like. But again, so number 2 is easily done by just creating a blog and using ChatGPT to create all your content. Now, the third one we're going to look at, we're going to be looking at creating your own recipe ebook and selling it on Amazon. And as you can see here, there are actually many of these. I've just picked out a really hot topic at the moment is air fryers. And we've just got an air fryer at home. Fantastic things. Everybody's obviously looking at what they can cook in the air fryer. And as you can see, these are selling like literally hot cakes. And there are loads of different, look at these just released ones. And they're selling for £4, £5, £7, £9, £10 this one. So really, really profitable businesses. And as you can see, this one here, this one has actually had 44,000 reviews. So it's probably sold in excess of 50,000 at £10 a pop. How cool is that? That is amazing. So that has actually earned this lady over £500,000 just selling a recipe book. Now, how are we going to do this? Well, of course, we're going to head over to ChatGPT, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to actually create the book. Okay, so let's go over and show you how. Okay, so we put in here, please create me 10 recipes I can cook in an air fryer that are quick and nutritious. Now I'm just going to do 10 for this book quickly, so otherwise obviously we could be here all day, but you could do 100 recipes very, very quickly, very easily. So this is giving me, we're already on to the second one, and it's telling you how all the details as well. So we've got crispy air fried chicken breast, so we've got a veggie stuffed portobello mushrooms, and so on. We're now on the fourth one, and this is just a few minutes, and it's even telling you how to cook it as well. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees C for 8 to 10 minutes until crisp and golden. So we're nearly done here. We're now on number 9, which is air fried turkey balls. So if we wanted to go into more detail, so it says here, please supply a list of ingredients for each recipe. Let's see what it can do now. This is telling you exactly what you're going to need to actually use for the recipe as well. So how cool is that? So you can put this in at the top, and then obviously you can put obviously the description and the cooking times, and it doesn't take long before you could quite easily get 100 recipes. You could make this even more detailed. You could probably do gluten-free recipes or something like vegan recipes, or maybe even keto diet recipes. Very, very targeted as well, which all of these would sell. So you can then just go over and you can create your recipe book by going over to a site called Canva. So we want to go to ebook cover. So this is going to be your cover of your ebook, and as you can see, we've got loads of templates down here on the right hand side. So we scroll down. This says healthy vegan recipes. So you could change this healthy air fryer recipes. You could put a picture of an air fryer here, and then you can add your page. And then from there, you can add page 1. You could go and do a contents page. Then you could do page 2, which would be your first recipe, and so on. Once you've got all this done, you can then just click, and then you could download it here straight to your PC. And then when you actually come across to Amazon, you can create your account, go and put in everything you need to put in here. You can also use ChatGPT to actually go and create your description for your book as well. Add your book in here. Because it is a PDF, Amazon can deliver it straight away to the customer. So you don't have to actually do any posting or any have any products sitting around. This is all done online, making it even easier to actually go and earn some money. And like I say, you could quite easily earn $600, $700, $800 per day just doing this method alone. And of course, there's nothing stopping you actually creating different books or about different niches or different subjects. Or like I say, you could do a keto air fryer keto book, you could do a gluten-free keto book, etc. You could have a whole range. Okay, so the fourth and final one we're going to look at in these side hustles and using ChatGPT is becoming a social media manager and actually creating content for companies and individuals, entrepreneurs. Okay, so if we come across onto the Fiverr again and put in social media management, again, there are loads and loads of people, and some of the amounts here. This lady here, I will be your social media marketing manager. So you could be a manager for somebody, and she's actually charging from £250. So that's roughly around about just over $325 per gig, and she's done nearly 1,000 gigs. So she's done over $250,000 just by doing this one gig. And this is very, very simple, very easy to do. And because we're running slightly over on this actual video, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to give you an in-depth video about this, about how you can create social media content for your clients just by using ChatGPT and Canva, which is what we've just been on about the ebook. So we can use Canva again. And I want you to actually go over and check out that video right now. And then you will then have all 4 methods that you can actually use to make money using ChatGPT.